Alright, freshman multimedia students, this video is for you, the one who is still struggling to put together a website. I'm here to help, so let's get started. I've logged into my Google account. You guys all have your BHS Night Google account that we set up, so there I am, all signed in, ready to go. And I'm going to go to Weebly. I suggested Weebly, I suggested Wix, or any other website. I'm going to go with Weebly because I'm familiar with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign up for an account. Right here we've got the Google sign up button, which makes it super easy to sign up. We agree to all these deals for Google, and it is processing, and I'm in. All of a sudden I am a new owner of a Weebly website. It's amazing. So I'm looking around. They're showing you some themes. Obviously we don't want the online store. Maybe portfolio is something we could go after. Blog is a super easy one to do because you'll be using a blog page anyway. So let's see, I'm going to look at some of these portfolio ones. And this one looks nice. So I'll click on that and I can start editing it. So it's creating my website now. And what's next? Let's see, choose your website domain. So you've got three options here. You need to use the subdomain because it's free, obviously. If you register a domain, you got to pay for it, or you could already have your own, which I do for bowler tennis, but that's another story. So we're going to go here and do the free version because it puts the .weebly.com at the end. And I'm going to make it super simple. I'm just going to put Pete's Portfolio. So it says it's available. Nobody out there in the whole world has named their Weebly page Pete's Portfolio, so I'm in luck. So I'm going to continue. And now I've got myself a web page already. Now I got to go start editing it. So I've got a home page, and on this particular template we've got home page, and they've called it My Adventures and then My Stories. So obviously I want to go in there and change some of that. I can go to pages here and look at the pages that there are, and I can change the types that they are. So what I can do in here is actually change up the picture in the background. I could change some of these text boxes around, whatever it takes. But in the meantime, I'm just going to add a page so that I have a blog style. So when you add a page, you've got your standard page, which we've already seen. We've got blog page. External page is something that you would link from somewhere else. So let's say I wanted it to load from the bowler tennis page, then I could do that. I'm going to go blog page because this is how you're going to do your first photography assignment that we started yesterday. So we'll just call it the blog page for now. I'm going to click done. And the way to do a new post, obviously, is new post. So I can click new post. And yesterday we started the photography unit, so it was called Introduction to Photography. And I asked you to go get all 9 elements that we talked about, and you're going to show 9 pictures and tell me which ones they are. So for instance, I could insert an image here. It gives you the option of uploading, so I'm just going to pick a random picture from my desktop here.
Question.
Might show, okay, let's go with
I can do
this shirt right here. Oh, doesn't like that type of file. I think it needs a JPEG or a PNG, so we're going to go with that. I'm going to go with the skateboarding logo that we did from last year. So now it's uploaded the file, and I can resize it if I need to by clicking on the menu or getting the resize menus popped out there, like so. And in order to tell what type of photo that is, I could put a text box underneath. Maybe I'll center this, and I'll say rule of thirds. How amazing is that? I can change the color, change the background, I can bold it, I can change the size, all of those things that you can do in any word processor. So I created a website. I created a blog page. I started my introduction to photography assignment using the blog page feature, and that should get you started, at least for today. If you have any questions, come back to this very video. It'll be on Edmodo. Good luck.